At 3:53 a.m. this morning, the Jamaica Fire Brigade received a call of building on fire at number 31 Water Lane. One unit from Trenchtown Fire Station initially responded. They called for assistance, which came from the Rallington Town and the York Park Fire Station. A total of 15 firefighters were involved in firefighting operation, which lasted for approximately 3.5 hours. The number of persons affected during this fire, a total of 23. That shares between adult and children. The fire totally destroyed the structure as a result of the type of constructions that was used, primarily board and zinc. We are not certain at this point in time as to the cause of the fire. However, we know that substantial amount of damage was done to the properties, which was confined to premises at number 31 and number 33 Water Lane. The fire is now under active investigation to determine what could have been the possible cause of this fire.